I took up videography, but I quickly worked out that I didn't have a clue what I was doing under there.
The thing that I want to learn the most is the color grading.
My challenge to him was to teach this old dog new tricks.
I came with habits I couldn't shake. You came with questions I couldn't take.
I'm here with the BTM Academy to help with the freediving underwater performers.
To teach the girls how to behave in the water with a cameraman.
Not about the frame or light, not about being wrong or right. It's about who you walk beside when you step into the tide.
Do things more spontaneous and opportunistically, which will kind of like form a bond between the freediver and the cameraman, and then watching the footage afterwards will give an opportunity to next time build on it or improve or change.
Just from day one, we kind of look at the footage and it goes from this like shaky, frantic to basically this like slower, smoother movements.
And all the fish get to move around you.
He gave me some pointers, kind of get below and look up a bit, or remember to try to fill the frame a bit more, get as close as you can and things like that.
We didn't come to be the best, we came to try to see and test.
You have the opportunity to really be one-on-one with your mentor and pick their brain. I learned how to dive with animals, actually.
Just moving forward, one step at a time.
They were struggling quite a lot with color grading. It was very nice that I could explain to the people a little bit how to do that.
Out of comfort into motion, moving faster side by side. No competition, only connection. Let the ocean decide.
They also have to rely on my lights, telling them when they can come down. And we have a great plan, but that plan gonna change.
Some days I taught without a plan. Some days I learn just watching you stand. Funny how the roles just shift every moment, handing out a gift.
It's amazing to mix this camera work and model work, so the scuba divers and the free divers.
Maybe the best part is being with so many people who share the same passion.
They've been doing great, and just seeing them improve throughout the week, it's been just, yeah, simply stunning.
I think, you know, the best way to learn is definitely community-based.
No race to run, no ground to claim, just learning names.
The purpose behind everything would be to actually tell stories that matter and that have an impact and that will make a difference.
We need people under the water with cameras. The legacy that we are going to spread to the world, to advocate, to protect the places that we love. And the best way to do it is with a camera under the water and willing to share those images with the rest of the world.
We don't have much time and we need more ocean ambassadors, so it's the best way to go about it, I think.
Different paths, same direction. We leave together, change inside.
Don't be embarrassed with what you don't know. Ask questions because they are so generous in sharing their knowledge.